Let's talk about RSI, the Relative Strength Index. If you've ever seen traders shouting RSI is overbought, you might wonder, what on earth does that actually mean? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Think of RSI as the market's emotional thermometer. It's a simple, single-line indicator that measures how strong and how fast prices are moving over a short time. Essentially, it captures the market's momentum. Here's how it works. RSI is calculated by looking at the average size of recent gains versus recent losses. The result is a number between 0 and 100. Clean and simple. When RSI climbs above 70, it enters overbought territory. That means prices have risen quickly and aggressively, maybe too much, too fast. Buyers might be running out of steam, and some profit-taking could be just around the corner. On the flip side, if RSI drops below 30, it's considered oversold. That suggests prices have fallen sharply, sellers might be exhausted, and the stage could be set for buyers to step in. But, and this is crucial, RSI doesn't guarantee a reversal. Just because something's overbought doesn't mean it's about to crash. In a strong uptrend, the RSI can stay above 70 for days, sometimes even weeks. Traders call this riding the rails. The same goes for oversold in a panic sell. Prices can keep falling even when the RSI is flashing warnings. So, what separates the pros from the amateurs? Pros look for RSI divergence. Let's say the price makes a new high, but the RSI forms a lower high. That's a sign the momentum behind the move is fading, a red flag that things could be about to change. Another pro move, combining RSI with the overall trend. If you spot RSI dipping to 30 during a clear uptrend, that could signal a juicy opportunity to buy the dip, riding the trend's momentum. But if RSI pops above 70 during a downtrend, it's probably just a short-lived bounce, a chance for sellers to jump back in. Remember, RSI isn't about calling tops or bottoms, it's about reading the crowd's emotions, understanding when things are getting a bit too heated or too gloomy. Use RSI to filter out the noise, confirm the bigger picture, and you'll start to dance to the market's rhythm, not just chase the hype. If you're new to trading, mastering this emotional thermometer can give you a real edge. Don't just follow the crowd, learn to read what they're really feeling. Join us and reach your next crypto level.